Good evening. Happy Friday. Happy Assumption Day. Today is the Assumption of Our Lady of the Blessed Virgin Mary. If you're Catholic, you know this. Hopefully you went to Mass today. If you're watching this, it's too late because I'm not publishing it day of. But here's your fun fact for the day. If you're not Catholic, then you should know that almost all, I think it's been maybe suspended a little bit, but traditionally Catholic churches have a relic of a saint underneath the altar, I believe. So a first-class relic, I believe, would be like a bone. I'm fairly new Catholic, so don't look at me as an expert. But a bodily remain. My neighbor recently went on a pilgrimage. It's a Jubilee year, and I don't know what cathedral she was at or what Catholic church she was at, but it had as a relic the arm of, I believe, Saint Teresa of Avila, which incredible relic. Catholics love their relics, and we love our relics. There are no, I might say this wrong, I don't believe there are any relics of the Blessed Virgin Mary. At least no bodily relics. And do you know why? Because she was assumed into heaven by her divine Son, our Lord Jesus. Whether it was upon death or whether she actually died, I think that might be argued a little bit within the Catholic faith. I don't know for sure, but her body is in heaven. There's no remains of Mary that we know of, because she was assumed. Like Jesus, she went to heaven, not just as her soul, but with her body as well. And given how much Catholics love our relics, if there were bodily remains of Mary, Catholics would be all over them. So if you're not Catholic, good evidence that Mary was assumed into heaven. Anyway, fun fact for you on the Assumption Day. I did not walk around today I didn't really get to document much. We had 8 o'clock Mass this morning, today being a holy day of obligation, and I had to go out to the cave to meet some guys for that roof, and I was in a rush because they were getting out there. They were driving in from a few hours away. I didn't get to take my camera out there at the time. Then I got back here and I was trying to get a video uploaded, and then I was trying to get my third short form video posted for today. So I didn't get that done. You'll see here in just a second that I got about an hour into it. I got a decent amount of it done, but it's really difficult to this particular video, this third video of the week, getting it all finished. It's just, I'm probably got another hour and a half on it, at least, maybe 2 or 3. Anyway, I don't have really much to update you on today. The lab did get cleaned. Here's some pictures of it. That was today. Lab got cleaned today, so that's good. That's finished. That job is finished. I did at least get a good start on that this week and get most of it done. Basically, this was just a dusting, sort of like nitty-gritty cleaning, getting the floors cleaned, all of that. We're well on our way on getting the roof handled, maybe getting some temporary dehumidifiers in the pack room. Anyway, I given that I did not get to really bring the camera around much today, I thought maybe just let's do a recap of the week. Let me grab my to-do list. We'll go through it. All right. We had on there post 3 short form videos. We got 2 posted, and well on our way on the 3rd. Write new product summary. I'd say we didn't quite do that. Definitely got some updates on it. We got design. I didn't show that to you. I didn't do any screen recording there, but the new product design, we are well on our way there. It's almost done. And we got some new quotes, updated quotes. So I didn't write out a summary / overview, but it was worked on extensively. Get ready pack room with supplies for our electrician, for Mark. We did that. That's in good shape. Put together pack room punch list. We did not do that. I told you I was kind of struggling a little bit with getting the the to-do list aspect of the pack room done. I just didn't want to sit down and do it. I had other better things to do. Clean lab, check. Clean office, check. General possible follow-up. We did a lot of that. Oh, last one. Film some ultrafiltration of the clear brown juice. We did not do that. We definitely struck out hard on that one. Like everything else, we kind of like, it's good. But that one, why am I saying we? You didn't, I didn't, I'm not, I shouldn't bring you into this. It's me. It's all me. I got the freezer, kind of in good shape though. I put the clear brown juice in the fridge. I checked, by the way, I did check it out today, and the freezer at its coldest setting is 0. I would call that just minimally acceptable. Like, that's workable. We'll take it. 0, we'll take it. I would like at least -5, but either way, whatever, acceptable. All right. Well, it is just after 5:30 on Friday, and it's a day of solemnity. So we're gonna have some barbecue tonight with my kids, my wife, and maybe get some ice cream. Got a great ice cream place right by our house that it's just like driving to it is, I don't know. It's a joy because it's so, like, I feel like I'm walking there. It's the best thing to walking without actually having to walk. I don't know. Like, it's great. What else? That will do it. That's the week. We'll start in on this next week. And we'll start with a new to-do list on Monday, and we'll get after it. So, hope everyone has a great weekend, and we will see you next week. All right, take care.